In today's video, I'll show you how to create an alphabet tracing worksheet for kids. If you're targeting parents, educators, teachers, this evergreen product is a hot seller. Or if you're selling low-content books on KDP or any other book sites, this you need to have. No worries, we'll be using free Canva account and it's very easy. Okay, so log into your Canva account, and if you don't have a Canva account yet, just head over there and register. It's free, or click the link in my description too. So once you're logged in, click Create a Design and then click Custom Size, or you can also go directly to here, Custom Size. Normally, when I do printables or low content book for kids, I use US letter size, and that's 8.5 by 11 inches. I can go bigger but not smaller than this size. So let's do the letter size. Change this to inches, and then enter 8.5 for the width and 11 for the height. Or if you've been doing or designing on this size before, it's going to be under recent 8.5 by 11 inches. So just click on that, or you can click Create New Design. First thing I normally do is to show my margins. This one over here. It's easier for me to line things up. You can choose to show that too or not. If you do, just head over to File and then Show Margin. Just click on that and you will have this too. So I'm just going to zoom this in, and now go to text, or you can also hit the letter T on your keyboard. It's like this. Now we'll type the letter, say for example the letter Z, and then we'll resize this. So for the font, just choose fonts that are simple. So if you type in corporate, click on this one first and then type corporate on the search bar. You'll see some really good simple fonts right here. So this one is really nice. Okay, so now let's put this one right over here. Now highlight that one, just go to effects and then choose hollow. You want it like this. Okay, so now go to elements over here and then try to find some images that starts with whatever letter you've been working on. So maybe we do zebra. And as you can see here, there's a lot of zebra images. And if you're in a free Canva account, avoid the images with this gold crown and that says Pro. You'll have to pay for that if you're going to use that. Okay, let's use this one. By the way, you can also upload and use your own graphics if you have them. Just drag it here or just go to uploads and then click on upload, and there you go. So now that we have that, next is the line. So we're still in the elements, just click that one and click on line. Now we can put it right over here and then align them. Lines up with my margins. That's what I want. And now we need to duplicate this one. Easiest way is to hold your Alt or Option key and then drag this. Or you can also click here to duplicate, or do the old-fashioned Control C and Control V. So we copy this. Again, we need 3 lines. Okay, so now I highlight them because I wanted to align them properly. So I'll just tidy them up. There you go. Now I want to change the middle line to a dotted and a little thinner than the other two. So I'll just click on this one. I'll go here, and the line weight, I'll change this to 2, and then I'll use this style. There you go. So once that's done, just duplicate your letter. You resize it, right? And then I go to effects and then choose none. I don't want any style for this or effects for this one. So now that you have that, just go ahead and duplicate this a few times. There you go. And select them. Click on these 3 dots right here. Then click position and click tidy up. This will align everything properly. So now that we have that, we have to change transparency for this one. So highlight them and then go here again to the 3 dots and click transparency, and then maybe about 20. There you go. So once you're done with that, highlight everything, and that includes the lines, and then just group them. Press Ctrl G or click on the 3 dots here and then click group, or another way, right click and then group. Now that you've grouped this one, just duplicate this, then duplicate this again. And there you have it. You can do the same for the lowercase letters and also for numbers. Let's try the numbers. Let's just add page here. And same process. Just copy that one. So maybe let's do 2. And then I can put something like this. Then center that. And then I'm just going to copy one of this, put it right over there. Now I'll just ungroup them and then delete all these letters. Now I'll copy this number 2, go to effects and then none, resize it. And the same thing, just a copy. You can do this first. Okay, then align them properly. Go to positions, tidy up, and there you go. So now you can also group them. And to give you another design idea, we can type something like, let's see here. I don't want any effects for this. Maybe a little bit like that. So we can do circle the group with 2 objects. Now go to elements, type on the search bar table, and just click on this first one. Now you have this table right here, just click it. So now we can delete the excess rows. We only need 3 columns, or it's up to you how many columns you want and how many rows that you want. So I only need 3 columns, so I can click on this and then delete 3 columns. And here, just drag this node to create a perfectly sized columns. Now that you have that, you can go back to your elements and find some really cool graphics. For example, this grapes. So just resize that, maybe some apple. Just duplicate things and maybe this avocado, resize it, duplicate. And there you have it. Not only did we create these tracing worksheets, we've also added some variety to it. So go ahead and try this. And there you have it. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave a message in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you've learned something from today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share this on social media as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!